In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, welcome everybody to the third episode of The Miracle of Life, the first nerve. With myself, Muhammad Wata, second year medical student at UCT, with the help of two lecturers, Prof. Louw and Dr. Dorit Hottman. So we spoke about the beginning when we spoke about the formation of the sperm, the fertilization of the sperm cell with the egg cell. Then we went on to explain the implantation of that ball of cells and the formation of the placenta. And today we're going to speak about the formation of the first nerve, which is called neurulation. So remember what I said, that we were first two layers, then three layers, right? So over here we have three layers. The blue is called ectoderm, the red is mesoderm, and the yellow here is endoderm. And picture the first nerve as a straw. So the body's kind of going to form now like a straw from a flat piece like this, right? So we're viewing it from this view. It's like it's like a hollow tube cut into half. And if you look at this over here, can you see how this tube is busy forming over here? Neural groove. And this tube is busy forming, further growth and maturation is occurring. And those two pieces are going to connect to form the neural tube. That is so amazing. And you can actually see it over here as well. That there you go. There's your first, I call it the first nerve, which is the neural tube. And there you can see diagrams as well. Then I have the other lecture I would like to share with you is this lecture, which also kind of illustrates the formation of the neural tube. So gastrulation is the formation of the three germ layers. So we have this blue over here is the ectoderm, this red is the mesoderm in the middle, and this bottom layer over here is the endoderm. And you can see there are three layers, 1, 2, 3. And each layer kind of is going to give rise to different structures. For example, ectoderm give rise to epidermal cells of skin, the skin, neurons for the brain, and pigment cells for the skin. The mesoderm layer is going to give rise to the notochord, which is the first nerve, bone, kidney, red blood cells, and muscle. And this third germ layer, endoderm, is going to give rise to like stomach cells, thyroid cells, and lung cells. And there you go. Here's the formation. You can clearly see here it starts flat and then it bulges up, and there it starts to connect itself to form the neural tube, the first nerve. And that's called neurulation. And that's the neurulation, and this is how it actually looks like. It starts flat and it goes up to form that tube, which is the first nerve. So I asked myself and yourself the question, this is definitely a miracle. Who thought of creating such a miraculous creation? Who sustained us? This makes me so grateful every single day to just think about it. Once upon a time, imagine if this did not close, we wouldn't actually have even, we might not even have survived or come into this world. If these neural crests did not close, our first nerve, the neural tube, would not have been formed. So I think, yeah, this is definitely a miracle. And I would like to end off with that today for you to ponder about. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your lives. Peace.